Hello everyone, welcome to AAT concept video. My name is Narara Siddhartha. My roll number is 20951A6744. My branch is computer science engineering with data science as specialization. So today my subject is data wrangling with Python. So my topic is data wrangling tools. So let's start. So I mainly divided the content into three parts. In the first part, I'm going to discuss what the data wrangling is, and I'm going to give an introduction about the data wrangling. So in the second part, I'm going to discuss about the language used for the data wrangling. We are going to discuss about the different languages that are used to perform data wrangling on a particular data. So in the third part, in the last part, I'm going to discuss about the tools which are used for performing such data wrangling process. So let's start. What is data wrangling? So data wrangling is the process of removing errors and combining complex data sets to make them more accessible and easier to analyze. Due to the rapid expansion of the amount of data and data sources available today, storing and organizing large quantities of data for analysis is becoming increasingly necessary. A data wrangling process, also known as a data munging process, consists of reorganizing, transforming, and mapping data from one raw form into another in order to make it more usable and valuable for a variety of downstream uses, including analytics. Data wrangling can be defined as the process of cleaning, organizing, and transforming the raw data into the desired format for analytics to use for prompt decision making. Also known as data cleaning or data munging, data wrangling enables businesses to tackle more complex data in less time, produce more accurate results, and make better decisions. The exact methods vary from project to project depending upon your data and the goal you are trying to achieve. More and more organizations are increasingly relying on data wrangling tools to make data ready for downstream analytics. Did you know data professionals spend almost 80% of their time wrangling the data, leaving a mere 20% for exploration and modeling? Some may question if the amount of work and time devoted to data wrangling is worth the effort. A simple analogy will help you understand. The foundation of a skyscraper is a expensive and time consuming before the above ground structure starts. Still, this solid foundation is extremely valuable for the building to stand tall and serve its purpose for decades. Similarly, for data handling, once the code and infrastructure foundations are gathered, it will deliver immediate results, sometimes almost instantly, for as long as the process is relevant. However, skipping necessary data wrangling steps will lead to significant downfalls, missed opportunities, and erroneous models that damage the reputation of analysis within the organization. Data wrangling software has become such an indispensable part of data processing. The primary importance of using data wrangling tools can be described as making raw data usable. Accurately wrangled data guarantees that the quality data is entered into the downstream analysis. Getting all data from various sources into a centralized location so it can be used. Piecing together raw data according to the required format and understanding the business context of data. Automated data integration tools are used as data wrangling techniques that clean and convert source data into a standard format that can be used repeatedly according to end requirements. Businesses use this standard data to perform crucial cross-data set analytics. Cleaning the data from the noise or flawed, missing elements. Data wrangling acts as a preparation stage for the data mining process, which involves gathering data and making sense of it, helping business users make concrete, timely decisions. Data wrangling software typically performs 6 iterative steps of discovering, structuring, cleaning, enriching, validating, and publishing data before it is ready for analytics. So, benefits of data wrangling. Data wrangling helps to improve data usability as it converts data into a compatible format for the end system. It helps to quickly build data flows within an initiative user interface and easily schedule and automate the data flow process. Integrates various types of information and their sources like databases, web services, flies, etc. Help users to process very large volumes of data easily and easily share data from techniques. Language used for data wrangling. So, 5 most important data science programming languages are used by the data scientists and explain each language's advantages and disadvantages. The best data science coding languages include Python, SQL, R, VBA, which stands for Visual Basic for Applications, Julia. So Python has been among the most popular data science languages in the last several years. A high-level general-purpose open-source programming language, Python syntax is easy to follow and write. This means that data scientists without a strong coding background can learn Python and start using it quickly. There are also extensive libraries in Python, collections of files or models that contain pre-built code to help data scientists with common tasks. These libraries can make tasks like data cleaning, data analysis, data visualization, data and machine learning related functions easier. Machine learning libraries especially are of high value to data science because they offer open source access to just about any machine learning algorithm the data scientists may seek. So the second one is the SQL. Actually the SQL stands for Structured Query Language. So it is an essential language for data scientists for managing relational databases and working with large amounts of structured data. SQL allows a data scientist to query, perform analysis of and manipulate data within relational databases and create test environments for data. So R. It is also one of the most popular language which is gaining popularity more and more nowadays by the data scientists. So it has more supportability for the data scientists and data wrangling tasks when compared to that of the Python. So also ranking among the top data science programming languages. R is more specialized than Python. It is useful in data scientist roles and tasks focused on data mining and statistical analysis. R can handle large data sets and complex processing, and especially for those data scientists with a statistic background can be very intuitive in analyzing data and communicating results. So R can perform more complex statistical calculations when compared to another programming language, so which is a great privilege to the R, due to which the R has become one of the most widely chosen language for the data scientists. So VBA stands for Visual Basic for Applications. VBA or Visual Basic for Applications is an event-driven programming language developed by Microsoft, accessible through its Microsoft Office suite of products like Excel, Visio and PowerPoint. So Julia. It is not much popular language when compared to the other languages that we have discussed before, but it has some characteristics in its working. So designed for computations and numerical analysis, Julia can be an important programming language for data scientists focused on data visualization, deep learning, numerical analysis or interactive computing. It is faster than some other languages like Python and more. So let's discuss about the tools for data wrangling. So there are different tools for data wrangling that can be used for gathering, importing, structuring and cleaning data before it can be fed into analytics and BI tools. So you can use automated tools actually for data wrangling, where the software allows you to validate data mappings and scrutinize data samples at every step of transformation process. So this helps to detect and correct errors in data mapping. Automated data cleaning becomes necessary in businesses dealing with exceptionally large data sets. Thank you.